Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back for the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be unboxing these fragrances that I bought this December. So, what are we waiting for? Stay tuned! So guys, it's been a while since I've last uploaded a video. I think my last upload was last April because I went into residency during my first year residency as a general surgery resident. It's been a tough year for me and a lot of things has changed. Well, the pandemic happened and I've been busy with hospital work, treating patients, saving lives, and I have to prioritize it over my hobby. But then again, a lot of things have changed, but one thing will never change. My passion for fragrances. So I'm really happy and I'm glad that I'm back in this fragrance game to our hobby, which is fragrances. So I've decided to make an unboxing video for this month, December. I've acquired many fragrances. Exactly this fragrance, these two fragrances right here. I didn't open these two fragrances right here. This was from Singapore. I bought this I think last year, and I didn't open these two fragrances because I want to make an unboxing video for my comeback. Okay, let's open these two packages right here. So this was sent to me by my cousin Daniel. Shout out to my cousin Daniel Ople from Singapore. And I don't know if you can see this, but it has just a clue of what this is. It's from the house of Armaf. So let's open this package. So this is Club de Nuit Intense Man limited edition by the house of Armaf. Alright. So this fragrance. Okay. And this other bottle. What could this be? And here we go. This is Dior Homme Intense. I think this is batch 2013 if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, it's batch 2012, 2Y01. So I think this is November, first week of November 2012, I think. So you can see how dark the juice is compared to the recent batches of Dior Homme Intense. And wow, alright, that's the very good smelling scent of Dior Homme Intense. So Dior Homme Intense. Alright, so next package we have here this orange package. So let's see what this fragrance is. Oh, okay, so staple. Okay, it's in this white bond paper. So this one, oh wow, very generous of the seller. Thank you so much. So I don't know what this is. It's a mysterious fragrance. Thank you so much for the seller, Eugene Tupas. Thank you so much, Mr. Eugene Tupas, for selling me your bottle and for giving me this decant. Alright, so what is this mystery fragrance which I bought from him? It's Hugo Reversed. So I haven't smelled this fragrance yet, and I'm pretty much excited to smell this fragrance. Alright, so moving on to the next package we have here. I'm choosing this one. I bought this from Perfumes PFD online store. PFD online store. Shout out to Mr. Gressan Adao and Mr. Raymond Cadawas. Good friends of mine. Oh, they included samples. Samples right there. Thank you so much for the dynamic duo. Thank you so much for the samples. Alright, so this one is Rachel Black Phantom. So this is a clone of Black Phantom by the house of Killian, and I'm pretty much excited to smell this fragrance right here. So let's put it aside. Alright, so next package we have here, Go Express, another package. Now this fragrance I bought. Oh, it has a name on it, Doc Wetzel. Thank you so much for the seller of this fragrance. It's none other than, wow, the Dua brand. No, this is not a fragrance. The fragrance is, how do we open this thing? Slide? No. Oh, so you will open it like a book. It's none other than Black Widow right there, and he included a sample. This sample is from an older batch of Black Widow. So this, guys, is Dua Black Widow right there, and I was eyeing on this fragrance for a very long time already, and I'm glad that I was able to buy this fragrance, Black Widow. So I'll be smelling this later on. Last but not the least, we have here this package right here, and it's packed very securely, full of duct tape. So how will we able to open this package? Handy dandy knife. Alright, so we have here, as you can see, it's from the house of Xerjoff. So what could this fragrance be? It's none other than, oh, here we go, Casa Morati 1888. As you can see right here, guys, Casa Morati 1888. There you go. I think this is the newer bottle because I have an older bottle. The older bottle has a head, and the newer bottles have this CC right there. So wow, this really smells good, guys. So that's it, guys. I've opened the packages already, and will now smell all of these fragrances, and I will give my first impressions. So stay tuned. So starting off with this Club de Nuit Intense Man. Well, I'll open the packaging of this fragrance already, and let's see. Oh, alright. So when you open this one, it has this Armaf right there, and very similar to the original. And this is the actual box itself. It says here, Club de Nuit Intense Man, limited edition parfum. And at the back, we can see here, it's made by Sterling Parfums right there. And the House of Sterling right there. Okay, so let's open this one. This is the coffret, or the protective case, and there you go, very similar to the original Club de Nuit Intense Man. Guys, if you want to read what's here, what's written in this paper, just pause this video. Alright, so and we have here the main bottle itself. Wow, very similar to the other bottles of Armaf. And it comes with this plastic covering as well. Okay. So let's smell this fragrance, Club de Nuit Intense Man. Where will I spray this? I'll just spray it here. Okay, so one spray. Oh, okay, very harsh opening. Yeah, but it smells very similar to the other Club de Nuit Intense Man. variants like the EDT, EDP, and this one, the Parfum version. And I bought this because I really want to complete the whole lineup of the Armaf line, because guys, like what I'm keep on mentioning, this is my most complimented fragrance yet. So I'm highly recommending this fragrance because guys, if it works for me, I'm pretty much sure this fragrance will work on you as well. So better watch out for the compliments, guys. Armaf Club de Nuit Intense Man will surely give you compliments. This fragrance right here, Dior Homme Intense, I'm pretty much sure you know this. You know, guys, that I'm a big fan of the Dior collection. Alright, so let's smell this. Oh, wow. It has this really strong cacao and iris combination. Much stronger than the original EDT version. And this one is I can say, my most favorite from the Dior Homme collection. Alright, so I will not dig into details with this Dior Homme Intense. I have this video of the full review of the Dior Homme line. I'll put the link here or here. I already forgot because it took me a while to make a video, so please bear with me, guys. So the link will be here or here. Alright, next we have here, I think the next one is this Hugo Intense Reverse right here. So this was released in 2018, and I think this is a freshy fragrance right there, and it comes with this bottle. Alright, so let's spray this. First time smelling this Hugo Reversed. Wow, it's very fresh. It opens up with this fresh, fruity vibe. Some say this has resemblance to Roja Elysium, but I think not. It has this somehow powdery vibe as well. Very clean scent. Well, this fragrance is better worn in the office, in the hospital. Well, this is, I think, a dump-rich fragrance. So any age group can definitely wear this fragrance. I'll definitely make a review of this fragrance. Hugo Reversed. Alright, so next fragrance on the list, Rashiel Perfumes. Right there, Black Phantom. So this was manufactured April 2020. So you can see here, right there, and the ingredients, the logo. Alright, so opening the box, it has this Black Phantom right there, and the logo of PFD online store right there. Let's spray this fragrance, guys. I can't wait. Wow, initial blast, guys. It really does smell familiar. Ooh, guys. Wow, I can smell the chocolate, the rum. It's somehow cold in the Philippines right now, and if you can buy this fragrance, you can make this as a staple fragrance, especially if you're in an air-conditioned room where it is cooler. Guys, this fragrance will surely stand out. Very sweet, chocolatey rum fragrance, Black Phantom by Rashiel and PFD online store. So next one, the duo. Guys, I'm really excited to smell this fragrance, Black Widow. Wow, guys, just look at this. And I'll be spraying this Black Widow already. Now this Black Widow is a clone of Black Phantom by the House of Killian. Let's spray this fragrance. Nothing came out on the first spray. Nothing came out there on the third spray. They smell very different on the opening. Oh, alright. There you go. The initial blast. It's somehow a nuttier version, this Black Widow. But as we go along, as it dries down on my hands, they start to smell very similar. yeah, they are starting to move towards the same path. I think this Black Phantom has a lot of steroids on it compared to this Black Widow. They pretty much smell the same, but I think this is a lot stronger version compared to this Black Widow. Last but not the least, this fragrance right here, 1888. Guys, this is my favorite from the house of Xerjoff. This is from their Casamorati line. This is the start of their whole lineup, 1888. Alright, so this is a tester bottle. As you can see, it has tester on it and the note breakdown. And of course, it has this tassel on it right there. And as you can see, CC right there. I know the smell of this fragrance, but I will have to spray this because, oh, there you go. First spray. Wow. Very refreshing root beer vibe. I bought this fragrance because I'm looking for a backup bottle of my Casamorati 1888 because that bottle is an older bottle. So this, guys, is what I'm talking about. The older bottle has this face and the newer bottle has CC. So let's see if these two has differences. And smelling this fragrance, guys, it really smells good. And this is definitely a backup worthy fragrance. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and first impressions of these fragrances that I bought this December. I really thought I won't be able to make another video, but guess what? I was able to make one just for you guys because then again, this fragrance channel, Fragrance RX, won't be able to make it this far without your support, guys. So thank you so much for subscribing, my avid subscribers. Thank you so much for showing your support to my fragrance channel, Fragrance RX. And guys, please watch out for my upcoming fragrance reviews, unboxing videos. I'll be uploading more videos soon. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX, and hit the notification bell down below. Again, this is Wedson for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!